all have done well with your day and everything has gone very well for you and around you. As you know, I am here again and again informing you about new applications and showing you and telling you the benefits of different applications and its features, exploring its features to make your phone's usage more useful and to make your life more easy. So today I am here again specifically for students and also for other people who have a habit of forgetfulness, and they are just suffering from losing important informations, losing important things, or having their important schedules affected because of their this habit. So they can use X Note to note down everything and then just click on this application and just search for the date and day and have your important work to do on that date. So it's here X Note, and let's see how we can make new notes on it. And the most beneficial thing about this application is that you just have to go in and click on this plus button and click on allow. Now just have your document here. Now just click on everything here untitled. So let's add a title here that is about let's have a title of meet up meetup, or like have a title of submission. Like for example, students have a submission here, submission on a specific date or a specific day in the specific week or at that time of the month, and they have a habit of have a habit to forget. Then surely for sure just see how they can use there. So here you can see on the screen many things. I have made so much rough lines and it's all doodling, and I have done it from this option pen. I have made it off. Just see, select the color again and go back for new color, and again go for new color here like this. And just see, this is how you can easily affect your doodling. So here you can do undo, click on undo and it all will be removed. Now just click on the next thing and take a photo or file. Take a photo while using the app, then your camera will be open. Just see, click a photo and click on cross or tick to edit or not to edit. You can also crop here the picture, and you can also reset it, then rotate it from where you want, wherever you want. Click on tick button on the top right corner, and after clicking it, it's been loading and it will be saved as your picture, as your part of the note. So it's here. You can also add any picture from your gallery, like file, click on file, and from here you can go to your gallery and or photos by just choosing different pictures. So I am going back here. Now what's the next edit you can do to here is about like this kind of mentioning or highlighting points. Like if I am having these points, so click on undo here. And next thing is adding these kind of colors to your notes. Like if you don't like only black and white color specification, then you can add it, like how much beautiful color this is. I usually like this color and most of my notes would be in this color. So after this you can also set a ringtone for it. Like you can also set this note as an alarm. Like when for example you have to submit something on the next day, like you have to submit something on Monday, then you should have set an alarm on this note of Sunday evening. Like I am setting it for 2024, and then the first month and 19, and whatever the time would be, it's 15:48, only 48. Okay, that means 12:48. So here end notes, but the highlight should be here, scrollable and up to 3 lines of text. That is about most important thing for the week. Here I have written this. Next to it you can add and cancel. Click on add, and so here I am having, we are having, going to have the thing here. What's today? It's 22. Click on tick button. So the alarm has been added. Next is X Note to record audio. It means that you can also have your voice notes here, your voice recordings here in this X Note application, because sometimes we usually don't get time to write more and more. Like there's so much to write, there's so much to write, and you don't want to write it all, everything, write up everything. So just go for this option and record everything and it will be saved. click on normal. And now just let's get back. Now if you will just click on the cross button on the left top corner, then the note will be discarded, and if you will tap on the right top corner, the tick button, then it will be saved. Now you can see there are two things: human rights and submission. Now let me show you my human rights notes. Like I have made a rough sketch for you, definition and adding other things. So the doodling has been mistakenly clicked, so I am doing it back. Now you can go below through this bar, click on three buttons, and from here you can share your document to anyone. So that's the smoother application to save your documents, either invoices or writings.